Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the picture profiles on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the exposure/color tab, so this pink tab right here, and then select the color/tone section, and here we're going to select picture profile. So press on that, and here if we take our lens cap off, you can see a preview of what your photos will look like, and you can scroll through all of the picture profiles to see which one fits you the best. And once you've selected the mode that you want, just press OK, and you can exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.